Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ukachi. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the big red subscribe button that is below. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do plaits on Fussy natural hair. Uloma is my muse today, and I actually did a blow dry routine for her yesterday. I have the video linked at the top right corner, so ensure you check it out at the end of this video. Currently, this is Uloma's hair after blow drying it, guys. It was reverting so quick, like in a snap. But I'm just taking down her plait. This video is beginner friendly, so if you're just learning how to plait, do plaits, learn how to braid hair without extensions, this video is perfect for you. So I'm just doing a mini layer check for Uloma because she's taking part in my hair growth challenge, and her hair has actually grown almost slightly past half an inch, guys, in less than 1 month. I am shook like crazy. So I'm going to be using this cotton comb, this sectioning comb, just to section her hair. I'm also going to be going in with my Hair Naturals butter at the end. This is their Shebe Sealing butter at the end, just to seal out the moisture. My plaiting medium is going to be this Moisture Miracle leave-in cream from African Pride. You can always use like a curl cream. I use a curl cream in my own plait. I'm going to have a link at the top right corner, so also ensure you check that video out. So for you to achieve plaits that look very bomb and very clean, you have to aim for your sectioning, for your sections, for your parts to be very clean. Take your time to section the hair. Don't rush the sectioning, because that's the only way your hair would look, your plaits will look clean. They would look neat, they would look flawless. No jokes. Ensure you section. You can see I kept on going over the same section. I kept on going over and over. I really wanted the parts to be clean. I wanted her hair to look very good. And make sure your sectioning comb is not sharp, so that it doesn't like injure her scalp or irritate her scalp or irritate your scalp. So I wanted it to be clean. I wanted a box braid kind of look, but I just wanted to just do like regular shape. I wanted to do boxes, squares, triangles, just as my hand like flowed. I just kept on following it. So I'm going to just pack the bigger section up. And the best thing for you to do for this style is for you to section each row, like section it box by box before you start plaiting. You'll see what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to section the braid, the hair that I've already sectioned out, into smaller sections. I'm going to section this bottom part into 3. Rather than just sectioning and then plait, I will section the whole row so that I'll know how to shape my hair or the hair is going to form. I'm not going to come and be sectioning one by one. I'm sectioning the whole row at once. This is the best way for you to get the perfect shape. This is the best way. So now section the hair into 3. I'm just going to go slightly in with my African Pride leave-in cream. I'm not going in with a lot because her hair already has a lot of product from blow drying and everything. And sure, check that blow drying routine out. It's like a very detailed routine also. So I'm not practicing, just trying to get my hand in the zone for this style because it's about to go down. You will see a more detailed one after this first part. Okay guys, for the second part, now let me give you guys the beginner friendly gist. Apply a little leave-in cream or twisting, whatever your twisting medium is, apply it to the hair. Ensure your parts are specially like cut out. Okay, this grammar is too much for me, man. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to, the section that you want to plait, ensure you divide the hair into 3 equal parts, so that the plait will be consistent throughout the length of the hair. So the goal for you now is to try to, you're going to pass the one on the left under to the middle, then the one on the right under to the middle. You can see. So the thing is left and right always want to get to the middle. So left to the middle, right to the middle, left to the middle, right to the middle. No one has a permanent spot. You just have to keep on going left to the middle. You have to plait under, right to the middle, under, left to the middle, under, right to the middle, under, left to the middle, under, right to the middle, under. You can see how you don't have to make it so tight. You don't have to make it so tight. Just make it loose if you're just starting. If you already know how to plait, this is obviously going to be easy for you, but try to not make it so tight. And don't aim for neatness if you're just starting. Just try to just get the logic behind it. Left to the middle, under, right to the middle, under. Don't try to rush anything like, oh, I'm a braider now. No, take it easy. Don't rush yourself in this, okay? Ensure you watch the video till the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to bead natural hair using a bobby pin and beads. So ensure you watch the video till the end so you don't miss out on all the gist, okay? When I get in towards the end, the hair can come and start thinning and all that stuff. So just look at the ends now. Rather than just plaiting it to make it look so tight and everything, I'll just end up twisting it. Apply my leave-in cream so that to twist it very well and swirl very well. So I'm now leave-in cream to my fingers and just twist it. If you also want a detailed twist routine, please comment #twist in the comment section so that I'll be able to film that also after she takes down this hair. So just twisting the end, and when I get to the end, you can see how it looks. I'll just end up to twirling it so it will look all curly. Twirl, 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 twirl. So for those that missed it on the first, on this one, let me just go over it again. Tip 1: section the hair into 3. The section you want into 3. Make sure try to make it as equal as possible. Into 3 equal parts. Ensure you're not applying any tension. There are 3 parts: left, middle, and right. Left, middle, right, middle, and left, right. I'm trying to just focus so that you guys can see it clearly. So left, middle, and right. So I'm passing the left under to the middle, and then the right under to the middle, then the left back under to the middle. No one has a permanent spot, so your left is constantly changing. Right under to the middle, left under to the middle, right under to the middle. You can see that I'm not applying any tension on her roots. Like her roots they are quite loose. Then I just continue the technique: left to the middle, right under to the middle, left to the middle, right to the middle. That is just tip I can just say. Don't aim for neatness yet if you're just starting. If you're learning how to braid your own hair or plait your own hair, don't aim for neatness. Aim to just understand the logic. Then you can now start aiming for neatness. Then you can now start aiming for speed. Don't rush it. You're not a professional braider yet. Take it easy. You will not learn this thing in 1 second. So just practice, practice, practice. You can see the logic: left to the middle, right to the middle, left to the middle, right to the middle. I'm plaiting on the people plait the other way, like left on top, right on top, left on top, right on top. But I prefer this way. This way is just neat and this way is just easier for me. So you guys can see. Left to the middle under, right to the middle under, left to the middle under, and right to the middle under. So you just have to keep on being consistent. If you really want to get this, make sure you practice, because you will not just get it from like me explaining it without you practicing. Practice makes perfection, okay? Just enjoy the Afro beats that's going to be playing in the background. I will have the producer's Instagram linked in my comments in my description box, so ensure you check it out. Check out his Instagram also. And for those wondering, yes, I run a mobile salon in school, the Case Place. Check out the Case Place on Instagram to see different jobs and different works I've done. And make sure you patronize me if you're in Lagos or Osun State once this lockdown is over, because I can also give your hair a cute treatment, okay? So right now I'm going in with my hair natural shea butter just to seal in the moisture from the Moisture Miracle leave-in conditioner or leave-in cream. Just to apply it on her ends so that her ends will also be like protected and everything. So these are the beads I'm using. I only put like 3 beads in her hair. This is the bobby pin also. So the technique involves you like hooking the bobby pin to your hair and passing the beads from the root of the bobby pin, so like the 2 ends that are open, you pass the bead through it while your hair is hooked to the bobby pin. This method is the best method for you to bead natural hair, to be very honest, because natural hair tips can be creative sometimes. Then you just use the same root, your tips, to just tie the bead around. Like you don't like tie your hair, just twirl it around so that the bead doesn't drop. So this is a hair after everything. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned a thing or two. I try to make that as detailed as possible. Subscribe to my channel. Follow Uloma on Instagram at Uloma_umbe and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.